Robert, just leave the package there.
Never, my package. Open this package up.
Here, use the scissors.
Thank you.
Careful.
Don't worry. My package will be safe.
Why don't you cut it with your hands?
Oh, I got scissors. Oh yeah, that way.
Do you need help? Let me see.
Hold on, I got it. I got it. No, I got it. I gotta open this thingy.
Well, hold it right.
Ah. Let's see.
That's not how you hold the scissors.
Is it like that?
Oh, like this.
Oh. Is it open? Let's open it. What is it?
Oh. I see you.
I know. Where's Skylander? Giants! 3 of them! There's 3 of them! 3 Skylander giants!
You gotta show me.
Look. Big guy! You want daddy lights? 7 guys!
Ooh.
What's this?
What's that?
It's
A tie-dye shirt. What does it say? I can't read it. Grind it. It's got a skateboard shirt.
I know. This is all my stuff I love. Hey, look, Mom. My new thingy. Hey, look. A golden.
A golden penny.
Yeah. I'm putting on my new stuff right here. Sure. Don't touch them. They're mine.
Okay, I won't touch.
This is the bestest ever song. What's this? Another shirt.
What does that one say? Peace, love, Jesus.
Whoa.
Another tie-dye shirt.
Another time. What's this? Pants.
Pants.
Popo gave me new pants. Awesome. What's this? Hey, look.
Oh, those are socks for Cassius.
Why did Popo give me these?
Those are for Cassius.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. What's this? Let's see. Again.
What is it?
Skylander Giants.
What is it? A shirt?